Good afternoon, guys. Welcome back with the second puzzle. The second puzzle, a Four Stars Sudoku. In the additional of the weekend edition, Saturday, Sunday, September the 14th, September the 15th, 2024, and it's today, actually Sunday. Yes. I've already solved one puzzle, the Three Stars Sudoku. So three puzzles are left. The binary, Jigsaw Sudoku, and this one you are interested, it's the Four Stars Sudoku number 9279. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has always 24 printed digits already counted. It's kind of indication of the difficulty level. The less printed digits, the more it will be difficult. But you cannot always say that. Sometimes you have a puzzle with a lot of pairs, a lot of hidden numbers. Then you will need more time to solve that puzzle. But for Four Stars puzzle, we need 30 minutes or more to solve. That's my time limit. 30 minutes or more. This is really a Four Stars puzzle. We don't know. We will see. So let's get started. Let me scan the puzzle. We have here 2 ones. We have here 3 twos. We have here 2 threes. We have here 4 fours. Well, we have here 2 fives, 3 sixes, 1 7. How about eights? 4 eights. And 2 3 nines. So the 4s and the 8s are in majority. Can I start with the 4? Well, 4 in the first row, 4 in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We have 4 in this column, no 4 there, 4 should be here. 4 in the last column, 4 in that column, so the column 3, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We have a 4 in this row, no 4 there, 4 should be here. 4 in this row, 4 in the row below, so the last row, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We have a 4 in this column, no 4 there, 4 should be here. 4 in the first column, 4 in the second column, so the third column, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We have a 4 in this row, no 4 there, 4 should be here. 4 in this row, 4 in that row, so the row between the middle row, the only 3 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We have a 4 in this column, no 4 there. 4 in the middle column, no 4 there, the only place left for the 4, A should be there. And all the 4s are used. I can't see. This is number 1, number 4. How about the 8 now? The 8 now. 8 now. 8 in this column. Last column, 8 in that column. So the column 3, the only place level 8 should be there. Need the 8 here. Need the 8. Okay. In this column, we need the 8 here. Okay. Well, I cannot continue with 8. Okay. Let me see with the other numbers. 1, 2, 3, 6, 7. 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6 is missing. And the 7 is missing. 3, 6, 7. 3, 6, 7, 3, 6, 7, 3, 6, 7. And look, we have 3 and a 7 in the last row. No 3 and a 7 in this box. 3 and the 7 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left in this big square for number 6. Alright. 6 in this column, 6 in the middle column, so the column next. Now we need to place level 6 should be here or there. We have 6 in the second row, no 6 there, 6 should be here. 6 in the first row, 6 in the second row. So the third row, now we need to place level 6 should be here or there. We have 6 in this column, no 6 there, 6 should be there. 6 in the third column, 6 in the second column, so the first column, the only 2 places level 6 should be here or there. We have 6 in this row, no 6 there, 6 should be there. I need a 6 here. And I need a 6. Yeah, 6 in this row. 6 in the middle row, so the row above, the only 2 places left, the 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in this column, no 6 there, 6 should be here. 6 in the last column, 6 in the column next, so that column, the only 2 places left, the 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in this row, no 6 there, 6 should be there. And all the 6s are used. I can see digit number 2, number 6. How about 8 now? 8, 8, 8, 8. 8, 8, 8, 8. No, cannot continue with 8. Alright, need a 3 here. Need a 7 there. Yeah. 1 and 2. Yeah. 2 in this row, 2 in the row below. So last row, the only place left 2 should be there. 1 box left now in the last row for number 1. 1 in this row, 1 in the 1 in the last row, 1 in the row above. So that row, the only place left 1 should be there. 2 numbers left now in this big square for numbers 1 and 2. 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8, 9 is missing. 3 and 9, 3 and 9. We have 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 2 numbers left now in this row for numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 is missing, 9 is missing. 8 and 9, 8 and 9. We have 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and 8 goes there. Then, let me see. 9 in the third column, 9 in the second column. So in the first column, the only place level 9 should be there. 9 in this column, 9 in the last column, so the column between. Only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in the first row, no 9 there. 9 should be here. 9 in this row, 9 in the middle row. So the row below, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be here. 9 in this column, 9 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in the third row, no 9 there. 9 should be here. And all the 9s are used. I can see digit number 3, number 9. Okay. Alright, how about the 8 now? 8, 8, no. 8 in this row, 8 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the second row, the only 2 places left for 8 should be here or there. We have an 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be there. Here we need an 8. Here we need 8 in this column, 8 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places left for 8 should be here or there. We have an 8 in the middle row, no 8 there. 8 should be here. Then 8 in this row, 8 in the middle row. So the row below, the only 3 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We have 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 in the second column, no 8 there. The only place left for the 8 should be there. And all the 8s are used. I can see digit number 4, number 8. 2 numbers left in the first column for numbers 1 to 2, 3 to 4. 5 is missing. The 6 and the 7 is missing. 7 and the 5. 7 and a 5. Okay. Then 1 in this column, 1 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place left 1 should be there. 1, 1, 1, 1. Okay. Then let me see. 1. Okay. How about the 2 then? Okay. 2, 2. I need a 2. 2, 2. I need a 2. We have a pair. In this big square, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers. 2 of those missing numbers are the 1 and the 2. We have a 1 and a 2 in this row, so no 1 and a 2 in these 2 boxes. We have a 1 and a 2 in the last column, so no 1 and a 2 in those 2 boxes. So 2 boxes left in this big square for numbers 1 and the 2. Goes in those 2 boxes. Okay, so 1 is left in this column for number 1 and 2. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 is missing here. 7 and a 5, we have a 7 now in the middle row. No 7 there. 7 should be here, and a 5 goes there. 7 in this row, 7 in the middle row. So in the row below, the only place level 7 should be there. 7 and a 3, we have 7 now in this column, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 7 in this column, 7 in that column, so the column between. The middle column, the only place level 7 should be there. 7 in this column, 7 in the column next, so the last column, the only two place level 7 should be here or there. We have a 7 in the third row, no 7 there, 7 should be there. 7 in the first row, 7 in the third row, so the row between the second row, the only place level 7 should be there. 2 numbers left now in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing. The 6 and the 7 is missing. 5 and the 6, 5 and the 7, 5 and the 7. We have a 7 in the third column. No 7 there, 7 should be here, and the 5 goes in there. And all the 7s are used. I can see. Digit number 5, number 7. Alright. Then 2 numbers left now in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1 is missing. The 2, 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. 1 and the 5, 1 and the 5. We have a 1 in this row, no 1 there. 1 should be here. The 5 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1 and 2. 3 is missing. The 4 and the 5 is missing. 3 and the 5, 3 and the 5. We have a 5 in this row, no 5 there. 5 should be here. And the 3 goes there. Then 1 and a 2, we have a 1 now in the third row, no 1 there. 1 should be here, the 2 goes there. 3 in this row, 3 in the second row, so the third row, the only place level 3 should be there. And 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, and the 5 is missing. 2 and the 5, 2 and the 5. We have a 2 in this column, no 2 there. 2 should be here, the 5 goes there. 5 in this column, 5 in the middle column, so the column next, the only place level 5 should be there. 5 in this row, 5 in the middle row, so the row below, the only two places left, the 5 should be here or there. We have 5 in the last column, no 5 there. 5 should be there. 1 box left now in the last column for number 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. 3 missing numbers in this big square. 1 of the missing numbers is 3. We have a 3 in this row, no 3 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 3 in this big square should be there. 3 in this row, 3 in that row. So the row between the only place level 3 should be there. 1 box left in this big square for the number 1. The 2 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. 1 is missing. The 2 is missing. 1 and 2, 1 and 2. We have a 1 in the middle row, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 2 goes there. And the final 2 numbers in this big square for numbers. 1 and 2. 1 and the 2 are missing in this big square. We have a 1 in this column, second column, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 2 goes there. This one is also quick one. 12 minutes again. Same time as the previous Sudoku. Well, 4 stars, no. 3 stars, no. 2 stars, no. 1 star, no. Should be at 0 stars. I'm faster than 14, 13 minutes. So, well, please read the time. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with the other 2 puzzles. Until then, bye-bye for now.